In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Temu to your Shopify store for 2025. Leveraging these platforms together can really streamline your operations and expand your business opportunities. So let's dive in and walk through each step together. First, open up your Shopify and head over to your admin dashboard. You'll want to make sure you're logged into the account you plan on connecting. This initial step ensures that you're working with the right store and you have all the necessary permissions to make changes and additions. Next, navigate over to the Apps section on your dashboard. This is where you'll find the tools and integrations available to enhance your store's functionality. Apps are a crucial part of Shopify's ecosystem, and finding the right ones can really make a difference in managing your business efficiently. Once you're in the Apps section, there's a search bar waiting for you to utilize. Type in M2E into the bar. M2E is key here because it acts as the bridge between your Shopify store and Temu, enabling smooth synchronization between the two platforms. When the M2E app appears, go ahead and select it to bring up its page where you'll find more details about the app and what it offers. Click Install to add it to your store. Installation might take a few seconds, so be patient. Once installed, you'll need to complete a simple registration process within the app. This is to set up your M2E account and link it with your Shopify store. After you're done registering, you will need to input some necessary information. This step ensures that your account is set up correctly and there is no hiccup later in connecting to Temu. Double check any business details you enter for accuracy. This can save you a lot of trouble down the road. After you've entered the required information, move on by clicking on Connect Marketplace Account. This step is crucial as it starts the process of linking your Shopify store with the Temu marketplace, allowing for integrations between the two. Now you need to locate Temu in the options you have for marketplaces. Once you found it, click Connect. You may be prompted to select your operating country next. This ensures that marketplace rules and regulations apply correctly to your store. Click Connect again to confirm your selections and push through the connection process. At this point, you'll be directed to log into your Temu seller account. Enter your credentials as you always do to log in. This might take you off Shopify temporarily, but don't worry, it's all part of creating a seamless link between these platforms. Once signed in, you should be successfully connected, and there you have it. Your Shopify store should now be integrated with Temu, allowing you to streamline operations between these two platforms. Remember, whenever you're adding new integrations, double check everything to ensure that they work properly. Happy selling!